Hi, I'm Orgo as an assistant specialist and consultant. In this video, I'll provide and show how to use Accelerator for website speed optimization. Accelerator, they are providing free website speed optimization services. Like you all use WordPress themes, then you can use this Accelerator plugin or tool. The first part, website speed optimization tool, I will show how to use WP Rocket and then increase website speed performance. But just I will show this part not practically because WP Rocket is a paid speed optimization tool recommended by Google, because currently WP Rocket is the best speed optimization tool in the world. But most of the people like me, I don't have enough money to buy this tool, speed optimization tool, because this is very expensive. That's why I'm not buy this tool. Literally, today I was find this tool. This tool name is Accelerator. This is best for you. You can increase your website speed performance like 90 to 95 or almost 85. You can increase your website speed performance. And then click right now. Click for download for free. Click. And then actually I was download this file, that's why I don't know for download. And now I'm go to the page inside. You can check your website speed performance. Actually few times ago I was enter my website URL and click analysis and then show this performance. Like my website is score is 100 best practice 100 accessibility 88, it's good, but my performance is very bad, 55. It's not good for my website. Not only now I'm install my Accelerator file and then set up. After that my website performance is boost. Now I'm go to the WordPress dashboard and then go to the plugin sections. Click add new plugin. Okay, click upload plugin. Click choose file. Accelerator open, install now. And it takes some time. Install your this file and then set up your website in your country. Click replace current with uploaded. Actually I was download this file and before, that's why this option there you are new, then here is show the active options. Click replace current and upload with upload. And then scroll down, current section here show the Accelerator. Click setting. Okay, I start on main path and go to the firstly I'm go to the content sections and then scroll down, and this is our main part, compression is like I show the 80%. This is a very high person, that's why it's reduce my website speed. Like I'm select like 50 to 60%, like I'm using 50. Then after that my website speed is boost automatically like 90 to 95, that's why I'm using 50. And then you can use this all check all function like show the script and style and general optimize loading online and source inline. This is not important, but you are confused or you want to check these options, then you can check it like exclusive and prevent user and scroll down. This is not important option, sketch and rehabilitation. And generally enable all things are available, enables. And then again I'm scroll down and show the lazy rehabilitation. It is important, that I am click check like your website and option. If this option is unchecked, then click check options. After that your website is quickly fasted. And then go to the scroll down and then click save and changes. It takes some time. Okay, all things are set up. Now I'm again go to the page inside and then again click analysis, enter my URL and then check my right now is the speed performance. Or sometime then you can it takes some time, and then after that you can show the result. You can full surprise because this tool is very awesome. Actually when I use this plugin this thing is fully surprised. This is free tool, but they are providing good service, good performance. Okay, 97, this is very awesome performance they are providing. 97, this is our mobile section, and 88 accessibility, best performance, Android and SS. This is they are providing very good service. Now I'm going to the desktop options. 97. I hope you can understand, and this is a very good tool for you. You are use free plugin for your website speed optimization. Then you can use this plugin like your for example your client don't don't have enough money, he is not interested to buy this type of speed optimization tool. Not only you can use this tool, then after that your client is surprised, their website is quickly rank in Google's SERP search engine result and quickly boost and increase their website speed performance. I hope you can understand how to use accelerator and then increase your website speed performance. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, goodbye.